In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stripe integration with HubSpot. By the end of this guide, you'll have a seamless process for managing payments through your HubSpot account with the power of Stripe. Let's get started. You'll first want to ensure you are logged into your HubSpot account. This step is crucial because you'll be interacting directly with your account to set everything up. Once you're logged in, the next thing you need to do is navigate to something called the Trial Guide. This is an essential resource where you can find everything you need to kick off your form building process. Think of it as your central hub for resources and guides. Now, with that resource ready, head over to your homepage. This is where we can start the integration journey. Look for the tab labeled Marketplace and go ahead and click on it. Once there, you need to choose HubSpot Marketplace from the options available. This section holds a plethora of apps and integrations that you can add to your HubSpot account. It's like an app store specifically for HubSpot. Next, we need to conduct a search for Stripe. Enter Stripe into the search bar and click Enter. This action should bring up the option to install the Stripe integration. Follow this by clicking Install. Pretty straightforward so far, right? When you click Connect to Stripe, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to enter it correctly, as this links your Stripe account to HubSpot. After entering your email, press Submit, and just like that, your accounts will be connected. Moving forward, we need to utilize this integration with your existing quotes. So go back to the search bar and type in Quotes. From here, you have the option to either create a new quote or edit an existing one. Choose what suits your current needs. If you're editing, click directly on the existing quote you'd like to modify. Now, it's time to customize and set up your quote. In the payment section of the quote setup, select Stripe and make sure to connect it. This step is crucial because it allows customers to pay via Stripe directly from the quote. Once everything is set up, customers will find an option to make a payment by clicking Checkout, positioned conveniently at the top or bottom of their quote. When they click on Checkout, a new window will appear, prompting them to enter their payment information and complete the purchase. The beauty of this integration is that payments are instantly directed to your Stripe account, simplifying the transaction process for both you and your customers. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully set up Stripe integration with HubSpot. This will streamline how you process payments and manage transactions. Thanks for following along, and happy integrating.